help Anna break down the door and uncover the long-hidden truth.
Luckily, I have the key. Nothing can stop me. Nothing can obstruct me. I am a strong woman. The light shining in, the sun can melt ice. I used to prune bonsai often. Code is strange. Could it be the day he cheated? I'm about to find out the truth. Why you? You're my best friend. So what? I slept with your husband.
No one should know about this.